Meaning of Dr. Foster.
Dr. Foster.
Dr. Foster.
Dr. Foster.
Dr. Foster. Dr. Foster is a popular English folk song that dates back to the 17th century. It tells the story of a physician named Dr. Foster who leaves home in Gloucester and travels to London, where he becomes involved in a scandalous affair with a woman. The lyrics describe his journey and the various obstacles he encounters along the way, before finally returning home to his wife in Gloucester. The song has become a well-known part of English folklore, and has been performed and recorded by many artists over the years.